Here we have a baby car camera with monitor made by DoHonest. It can be used for monitoring baby, for monitoring pets, or for RV. It has a wide viewing angle, night vision, and safe driving, of course. Let's see what's inside. We have must read before use, short instructions or manual. Then we have a monitor, and here below we have a cigarette lighter plug-in cable. This is extension cable in between monitor and the camera charger. This is USB connector, holder for camera. Actually, this is camera, and stand for dashboard with looks like two straps to attach camera on the back seat or wherever we like to have it. Here in the manual we have a picture of how to connect it. Monitor will be connected to the car charger with on and on switch, and a 4-pin connector is used to connect camera and monitor, and that will be how I'm gonna do it, and I will demonstrate that in a car. I installed the monitor with a bracket on the dashboard, routed cable in between seat and console through here under the mat, went through. Here's the cable that went around back seat all the way through here. Put this seat down, and the routed cable behind the back cover of the seat all the way to the backrest where I installed camera. And I installed camera on the backrest, connected the cables under, and push this down to secure the cables, and pointed camera into child seat carrier. Now we can try, does it work? From monitor cable that I connected to go to camera is also having cable going to cigarette lighter, and here is how it looks when it's plugged in the cigarette lighter. And I will need to push this button, which is on and off button, for camera only after I give a contact with the key in the car. So after I give contact and I push the on and off button on the cigarette lighter, I will need to be able to see, and I do see, child carrier where child is supposed to sit, and we can monitor it. So it works, and it is really cool picture and a position of it, so we can monitor while we're driving what is our baby doing. It's really cool, neat camera, easy to install. It takes few minutes. It's nice and clear picture. I like it. I am sure that everyone else would. I highly recommend this, and I think it's easy to install for everybody. But if you will have any questions or comments, please ask. I'll be more than glad to answer and help to install this camera. Thank you for watching.